It's super easy to add photos of yourself by clicking on the placeholder that is right here. This is a placeholder for a photo. So we're going to click that placeholder and it pops up a menu. You're going to choose camera. You want to grab a picture of the cover of the book that you are reviewing. And when you're ready to take the picture, you just click the camera icon. Notice that the picture shows up on the side and you're going to click replace. It's going to pop it into the frame. Next, you're going to take a selfie, giving the book thumbs up or thumbs down. So click that icon again, select camera. You're going to pose for the camera or thumbs down, but I like this book, so I'm giving it a thumbs up. And when I'm ready, I'll snap a picture, grab it on the side, and click replace. And so now I have two pictures added to my review of my book.